what are the pros and cons of talking about our price, or at least price range? On my podcast, I say when we do marketing for other podcasts to grow their visibility, we are a premium price. We're a high price. Like we're the $3 signs. If you're looking at food, we're the $3 signs, not the $1 sign, to give people an idea so they can say, oh, well, should I even entertain going to this restaurant? Should I even entertain calling them about that? Is that a good thing, a bad thing? Why or why not?
So I think that giving people an idea is a great thing. The thing that I hear missing from what you're saying, and what most people are missing from what they're saying, is the result of the thing. So you're saying we're premium, and I love that you're owning that and you're not like ashamed of it or like trying to pretend like it's any different. You're like, no, this is luxury. I mean, there's people who like luxury. They want it done the best way. They want the Rolls Royce. We're the Rolls Royce of podcasting. But connecting that to the end result, which is if you want to have a top 1% show in the next 6 months or the next 3 months or whatever it is, we're the Rolls Royce of podcasting and we'll do that for you. So just connecting it to the end result is going to help somebody understand a lot more why they would invest that amount of money. That's great. I love that. And what if our prices were low or medium? How would we, share the same thing if we had like middle-ish prices that were kind of average? And what would we say if we felt like we were like below everybody and we're just crazy for people to not hire us? Oh, I mean, well, that's the positioning angle in itself. So like we are the affordable podcast producer. If you want a podcast that's going to be in the top 1% in the whatever amount of days, or like whatever your result is, because that person still provides a result, and you're just starting and you're on a shoestring budget and you're like, how am I going to do this? We're your people. You can fumble around with it for, a year or two yourself, or you could work with us and get it done in 90 days or whatever it is, just really like connecting who your person is, because my whole strategy is it's fitting, not selling. So who is your fit? Is it the person who has a shoestring budget and has a year and doesn't know what they're going to sell or what the purpose of the podcast is? Then call them out in that way so they know, oh, that's me. And same for the premium.